Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use referral code on Shein. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we have to do here is we need to go to Shein.com. Now in the Shein website, what we need to do is start adding all the items that we want to buy. So in this case, you can go ahead and browse their catalogs here. So in this case, we want to buy this shirt here, just to give you an example. And what we need to do is select this shirt again. And from here, we want to add this to our cart. Now here, we also have to choose the size itself. Just add to cart here. And we want to go to our cart. So at the top right, you see a cart icon. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be redirected to your cart's page. Now from here, what we need to do is choose the items that you want to buy. So make sure that there's a check next to it. And from here, just click on checkout. Now in the checkout page, you will be able to see this UI here, wherein you need to provide a few details. Now for you to use a referral code or any type of code that you have, what you need to do here is just click on the section here that says coupon code, and from here just type in or paste it here and just hit on apply, and you'll be able to use it. So this one is pretty simple, just follow the steps and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.